Shoba says, Sayyar bin Salama intimated me that he said he heard from his father that he asked Hazrat Abu Barza radiyallahu anhu about the prayer of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Shoba asked, did you yourself hear it from your father? He replied, as if I were listening to it even now. He said, I myself heard that my father asked Hazrat Abu Barza radiyallahu anhu about the Prophet's prayer. Hazrat Abu Barza radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not mind delaying the Isha prayer to midnight, but disliked sleeping before the prayer and conversing after it. Shoba says that he again met Sayyar's father and asked him about prayer timings. He whereupon said he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the Zohar prayer when the sun would pass the meridian, and perform the Asr prayer when, if a man would go to the ultimate part of Madinah Munawwara, the sun would be still present. Sayyar's father says that he does not remember what Hazrat Abu Barza radiyallahu anhu said about the time of Maghrib. Shoba says that he again met him and asked him. He whereupon said he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the morning prayer at the time when a man could recognize his acquaintance sitting beside him, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited 60 to 100 verses in it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1460.